Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Excel Sessions, and today we will learn rank function which returns the rank of a number in a list of numbers. In other words, if we sort the list of numbers in ascending or descending order, then the rank of the number would be the position of the number in the list. A rank function takes three arguments or parameters. The first two parameters are mandatory and the third parameter is optional. The first parameter is the number whose rank you want to find. Second parameter is the list of number in which you want to check the rank. And the third parameter specify the order of ranking. If you don't specify the third parameter or specify 0, then rank will be in descending order of the list, means largest number will get rank 1. If you specify 1 in the third parameter, then rank will be in ascending order of the list, means smallest number will get rank 1. Now in the given example, student name and corresponding marks are given in column B. To identify the rank of each student in the list, we will use rank function. To show rank in descending order of the marks, type equals to rank open bracket. In the first parameter, select the number, so B2, comma, select the range in which you want to check the rank, so select B2 to B17. Make sure use absolute reference for second parameter, so type F4. This is required because when we copy the formula in other cells, the list or range should remain same, comma. Now to show the rank in descending order, either we can use 0 or we can skip the third parameter. So I'm not mentioning any parameter, closing bracket and press enter. Now use autofill functionality of Excel to fill the remaining cells, and you will find that the student who has the maximum marks get rank 1, and rank is increasing as the marks is reducing. If the marks are same in the list, for example, in my list, the marks 41 is for two students M and P. In this case, the rank would be same, but the next rank would not be the next number, that is 14. Excel will check the count, that means there are two students, and accordingly specify the number. So the next rank will be 15. Now to show the rank in ascending order, type equals to rank open bracket, select the number which is B2, comma, select the range from B2 to B17, press F4 for absolute reference, comma. Now use 1 to show the ranking in ascending order of the list. Means the student who get minimum marks will get rank 1. Type 1, closing bracket and press enter. Use autofill functionality to fill the other cells. Now the ranking is in ascending order of the list, means student who get minimum marks will get rank 1. Again, two students have same marks, hence their ranking is same, and the next ranking is not 4, it's 5. If I sort the marks, then in column C, the rank is in decreasing order, and in column D, the rank is in increasing order of marks. In the exercise, marks is given in columns B. If you enter the name of the student, G3 is showing the marks of the student and G4 is showing the rank of the student. Use VLOOKUP to get the marks and use rank function to get the rank of the student in the class. Download the file from the path mentioned in the description section. In this video, we have learned how to use rank function to give the ranking of the data. If you like the content, press thumbs up and share with your friends and colleagues. Subscribe the channel and press bell icon to get notification for new videos. Share your feedback, suggestion and queries in the comment section. Thank you.